Do you want to know the truth about an unboxing? This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. I want to tell you the truth of what to expect when getting an uninspected return box from Bulk and various other conditions. All right, so I've just opened up an uninspected returns box from Bulk. The bonus about uninspected return is that you can usually get them at a very discounted price. So this is bulk.com, but this actually probably goes for most liquidation companies across the board. I buy from various different liquidation companies and I've seen similar types of conditions. And so I'm going to kind of walk you through some of the things to expect. This box had 20 items in it. 14 of them are sellable in my opinion, okay? And so I'm gonna go through the reasons why they're sellable or not sellable and the things to look for. So if you come over here, these ones I'm definitely probably gonna sell. There's a little bit of shelfware dust. You can definitely tell they've been sitting in a store for a while, but they're still completely packaged. These will be good. Send into Amazon, great condition, perfect. Now, stuffed animals, I always take into consideration looking them over very, very good, especially like this has a white face. I'm going to check this and make sure there's no stains, no rips, no tears, no seam openings, things like that. Like back here on some stuffed animals, there'll be the seam that's completely opened, like the bow, is it completely attached? Was it supposed to come with packaging? Look it up on Amazon. Did it have, like this is a bigger version of this one. Did it have a box like this? Was it supposed to come with packaging? So same thing with this one. I'm going to look at it and make sure everything is still intact and there's no, stitches missing and things like that. So these two are in really good condition. This one here, I'm going to look at like this cellophane is kind of coming off on this. And so I'll take that into consideration when deciding whether or not to list it, send it into Amazon, sell it on eBay, or flip it on my own website, hookedonpickin.com, which I sell things a lot cheaper than I do even on eBay because the fees are less. So this corner has a little bit of damage. Remember, this is an uninspected returns box. This one is brand new, but I'm also going to look, this is on the outside of the box, so I'm going to make sure that there's no damage to this and the skirt and things like that. Make sure the box has not been opened, so you check and see, does it have the original packaging seams? Same thing with this. Does it have the original packaging seams? Now this one, I am going to sell brand new on my website, but it's definitely got some damage to the box, just simply because it probably sat in a store too long or got shuffled around too much. So some of the corners and things like that, but if you look right here on the edge, still has the factory sealed taping here and here and even on this side. And so it has never been opened. This one's going to be for sale on my hookedonpickin.com website. Just because I can give you guys a better price than probably Amazon, and then I don't have to worry about Amazon yelling at me based on condition. Now, I do have these as well. These came in baggies. It used to be when I would get stuff from Bulk that these would just be thrown in, not inside of a Ziploc baggie, and I actually had a Bulk unboxing where I did 5 boxes at once. And it's outside, and I'll try to link it at the end of this video, but where a detergent opened and ruined a bunch of stuffed animals and fabric items in there. And so I don't know if all the liquidation companies do that, and sometimes they do or don't, but I was really pleased to see that Bulk put these in bags because I can sell both of those items and they're both brand new and they didn't get broken open on top of something. So I'm excited about that. They've been packing their boxes a little bit tighter. I get nothing from Bulk from doing this video. I just wanted to give you an idea of what you expect from liquidation companies in general. I buy from a lot of different liquidation companies, and this is kind of across the board what to expect from an uninspected returns box. This lava lamp is broken, and so I will not be able to sell that, but they have some wiggle room with uninspected returns. Now, if this was a brand new box and I had this quantity of items, these I'm not going to be able to sell. In there, I would contact the liquidation company right away. I've done that with Bulk. That one box that I said that opened up and the detergent got on everything, I was able to take pictures of everything and also link my unboxing video to them to show them, hey, look, I've got damage and I was reimbursed for those items. And so I was excited about that because that helps my cost. This one here has this is a sheet set, but I don't know if you can tell in the video real well, but this has like a dingy dirt mark here, and so I will not sell that because I don't want something like that. I don't want to get something dingy and dirt mark if I'm buying it brand new, so I will not sell that. This is a fitted sheet set that's clearly been opened because it's not been packaged. This is just simply not worth it. But if you look at the packaging, it's been all taped back together with packing tape and not even put back in the box properly. So this is probably just going to go to my son. He'll use it for electronics. This puzzle, this unicorn puzzle, absolutely demolished box. I mean, come on. Just like the top isn't even there. And so, but the puzzle's never been opened, so my girls will probably put the puzzle together and then it'll disappear into oblivion. And then this one has clearly been opened, this Exploding Kittens one, and they, you know, roughly taped it back together. It may have all the pieces in it, but because it's been open and taped on this box like this, I can't sell it brand new. And so that's just kind of a glimpse into when you buy a box. I've even had similar conditions like this has come in a brand new box, something similar to this. And so I simply just contact the company. I'm able to let them know, hey, there's tons of shelfware. I can't even send this into Amazon because it's not resellable. And they will talk to you and talk you through being able to get a discount. So don't lose all your information. Make sure whenever you open a box, you take good pictures of whatever condition it's in. But some of you may be discouraged by seeing the condition based on an uninspected return box, but I want to remind you, I spent $85 on all of these items. Lego, you know how much those are. $85. And that includes the shipping and the taxes. And I'm going to be able to sell 14 of these for a profit of $150 in my pocket after I take the $85 off. And so even though you see not everything is in perfect condition, there's plenty to still make cash on. And so hopefully this has been a glimpse into the truth about unboxing videos and what to expect. Lots of liquidation companies are kind of similar across the board. There are some better, some worse, some middle of the road. I will keep still ordering from bulk because, as you can see, I still can get a profit margin out of it. And so hopefully this has been helpful to give you an idea of what kind of condition things are in and what to look for when unboxing your own liquidation box. Check out some of this stuff on my hookedonpickin.com website. And if you guys need help reselling, I've got some consultation times you can sign up for. I'd love to be able to talk to you personally. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.